I would think a lot of companies say to themselves, like, we're reimagining healthcare. We're creating a new healthcare system. We're fixing sick care. Maybe what are you doing or how are you approaching that is not the same as folks that might say kind of the same thing?
At the end of the day, if you go look at basically every single healthcare system out there, every single company that wants to, quote unquote, fix healthcare, they all kind of roughly do the same thing, right? And like the reality is you and I, we've all had the same experience. So I'll give you an example. So for me, I was a One Medical member for a bunch of years, right? And then almost every male in my family had a heart attack. So what did I do? Well, I went into One Medical and I was like, okay, guys, like, what should I do? And they looked at me, they kind of like gave me my little physical in all of 6 minutes, right? And they looked at me and like, you're healthy. And I was like, wait a minute, we've kind of all been there, right? I looked at them and I'm like, well, hold on. My dad's had a heart attack. My brother's had a heart attack. My uncle's had a heart attack. What do you mean I'm healthy, right? You know what they're really saying is, I kind of don't want to deal with your shit right now because it's going to cost me money. But you ever notice how you just like everybody else, you ever notice how your employer walks up to you every year and they're like, hey, it's time to get your flu shot. It's time to get your flu shot. It's time to get your flu shot. Well, let me just ask you, how many people do you know that are dying of the flu? Like not a single one, right? So why the hell is everybody so focused on the damn flu, but they're not focused on the things that we know are killing us? Like you and I know tons of people who are dying of heart disease, cancer, but nobody's walking up to us saying like, wait a minute, let's talk, Joe, about the cholesterol, the blood pressure. Let's talk about the cancer that you might be getting. In fact, do you ever think of how fucked up it is that like the first time you get a cancer doctor is after you get cancer? Like what the hell? Do you want me to get brakes on my car after I get into an accident? Like this is insane, right?